Hi friends, good evening. Manju here and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So here in this video I'm going with the case statement query. Okay, so how to update multiple conditions. Okay, so this is very important, the case expression query. Okay, so follow me so I can show you the how to write the case expression query with multiple conditions with multiple results, how you get. Okay, so this is what the main concept I am going to show you in this video. Okay, so if you not subscribe to my channel till now, subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. This is my kind request to you, and like my video if you really like it, and share my video so that I will make more videos related to SQL, Oracle and Informatica ETL testing perspective. Okay, so let us move to SQL developer. So here that I can show you how to write the query using case expression. So here the main intensity of writing using case expression is to update multiple records with multiple conditions. So this is what used for the case expressions. So just follow me the video, so I will show you the how to write case expression conditions. So write the query here. Select employee ID, comma salary, comma here case when salary between 2000 and 5000, then grade, I am giving here grade is equal to C. This is first condition what I mentioned here. And second condition, when salary between 5000 and 10,000, then I give grade here B. So third condition is when salary between 10,000 and 15,000, then grade is equal to A. So else, use else condition here, else salary else grade equals to A plus, and we have to end this, and as grade from employees. Okay, so here this is not salary, yeah, this is salary, grade only. So this is what the thing here, just I execute this one. Okay, so press Ctrl Enter, so this one will get executed for you. So we can see here the records will appear here. So this is what the employee ID column, and here salary, and here grades. So whatever the grade above the 15,000, okay, you can see here all are A plus, and this is what B, and here you are getting C, and this is 12,000, between 10,000 and 15,000 it is recorded as grade is equal to A. So this is how to use the case expression. Okay, so here I explain the things here. Query, select employee ID. I want to display employee ID and salary, so I am using case expression. Case of when salary between 2000 and 5000, then the grade must be C. And second condition is when salary between 5000 and 10,000, then grade must be B. And third condition is when salary between 10,000 and 15,000, then grade is equal to A. Otherwise else grade is equal to A plus. So end as grade alias as grade. So you can see here this is grade as alias, so from employees table. So this is very simple and very most question, this is most askable question in interview. So you can practice this and understand the logic behind this. Okay, so this is very important, so that you can perfectly write the queries here. So this is what about a case expression, how we can update multiple records with multiple conditions. Okay, so this is what the thing I want to show you in this video. So if you really like this video, like it, and practice this case expression, okay, using more and more data. Okay, this is only one data example data what I shown you here. So practice using more and more data, so you will be perfect in writing case expression logics queries. Okay, so I hope that you understood this, and if you not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, please. And really I'm very enthusiastic to make these type of videos for the friends. So thank you very much. We will meet you in next video. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day. Take care.